Good morning, students. Today we are going to see 5 number lesson evolution of mankind. In that lesson, we are going to see from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens and Homo sapiens sapient and civilization. First, 5.1 from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapient. In that first man it is the skilled human or Homo habilis. The species of human who could use their hands skillfully is known as the skilled human. Okay, repeat after me again. The species of human who could use their hands skillfully is known as the skilled human. The first evidence of this species was found in the border of region between Tanzania and Kenya. Where it got? Tanzania and Kenya in the continent of Africa. The scientist Louis Leakey, who discovered this species, named it Homo habilis because besides their fossilized remains, he found some tools made by them. Okay, in Latin, Homo means man, and habilis means the one who uses hands skillfully. Homo habilis could stand on 2 feet and walk. His spine was slightly bent and not quite erect. His brain was bigger than that of apes, although his face and limbs were somewhat similar to theirs. The stone tools made by Homo habilis were not useful for hunting big animals, but they have limited uses such as scraping meat from the skin of dead animals or breaking bones to get their marrow. He can infer from this that Homo habilis was a forager. He ate leftover animals that had been hunted by other animals. It is possible that he hunted small animals and gathered eggs, wild fruits and roots to eat. Now we are going to see the Homo erectus. Homo erectus marks an important stage in human evolution. Erectus means the one who stands erect. Hence the name Homo erectus. Compared to Homo habilis, he had more developed brain. Humans of the Homo erectus species lived in groups. Having seen wildfires, humans knew about fire. It is likely that Homo erectus had learned the technique of fetching the burning branches of trees to use that fire. During this time, most of the earth was covered with the ice sheets. Therefore, the climate was extremely cold. Homo erectus could survive in that extremely cold climate because he had learned to use the fire. However, he had not yet mastered in the technique of making fire. Tools made by the Homo erectus were more developed than the symmetrical compared to those made by the Homo habilis. Homo erectus made tools like the hand axe. Remains of Homo erectus have been found along with his tools in continent of Africa, Asia and Europe. Now we are going to see the Homo neanderthalensis, means Neanderthal man. One more stage of development in human evolution is Homo neanderthalensis. He was physically big and strong. He is commonly known as the Neanderthal man because his remains were first found in Neanderthal, a place in Germany. His brain was more developed than that of Homo erectus. The Neanderthal primarily lived in caves. They made tools out of big pebbles as well as from the flakes scraped from them. Such tools were fixed on a bone or wooden sharp to make weapons like a spear, axe, etc. The Neanderthal hunted the big animals. They used scrapers made from stones flakes to scrap meat from the hide of dead animals. They used leather clothing. They were mainly meat eaters. They ate meat roasted on fire. They knew the art of making fire by rubbing streaks of hard wood on each other by scratching one firestone on another to obtain spark. It is likely that Neanderthal had developed some artistic skills. Some scientists believe that they also communicate with each other by the producing grunt and other primarily sound. However, it is not known whether they had developed a language system to express their thoughts with the help of words. When a member of group died, the Neanderthal buried tools, horns, etc. along with the dead body. Also, they applied red ochre to dead body before burying it. It indicates that the Neanderthal had established some rituals of burying the dead. In the course of time, some group of Neanderthal left Africa and migrated up to continent of Europe and Asia. Naturally, they had to face a different environment. They had to adopt new ways of living and finding food. Therefore, they went on modifying and improving the tools that they essential in their life. However, the improvement in the tools took place over the thousands of years. Homo sapiens is the name used humans that were more advanced than the Neanderthals. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. We shall learn more about him later. The Neanderthal and the Homo sapiens were neighbors for some time in Europe. It is believed that due to the reason like their conflict with the Homo sapiens and inability to adapt the environmental changes, the Neanderthal become extinct. On the basis of C14 dating, it is estimated that the Neanderthal became the extinct about the 30,000 years ago. Now we are going to see the Homo sapiens. The human species that was more intelligent than any of earlier species was named Homo sapiens. In Europe, Homo sapiens is also known as the Cro-Magnon man. Their remains have been found in the continent of Europe, Asia and Africa. Homo sapiens made different kinds of tools and implements to suit the task they needed to do. They used to make stone blades and fix them in groups of notches made the wood of bone handle. You can see in the picture which kind of tools they have made. The stone tool collection you can see in the image. Homo sapiens had evolved to the stage of having fully developed relics, which could produce the range of sound with the subtle differences. Their jaws and muscles inside the mouth were well developed and tongue was flexible. Hence, Homo sapiens could use them to produce a variety of sound and modulate his voice the way he liked. Using his imagination, he could give the names to different things he saw and could put the thoughts and feeling into words. Using the words, he could speak and communicate. In short, he had well developed a language system. He could draw pictures on the basis of actual observation as well as imagination. He even began to make the artistic object. That is why he has been named a Homo sapiens, intelligent man or a thinking man. Now we are going to see the Homo sapiens sapiens. Homo sapiens sapiens is name given to the human as their capacity to think develop even further than that of a Homo sapiens. The capacity of the brain and their grasping power also developed further with time. We, the modern humans, are Homo sapiens sapiens. The appearance and health characteristics of of human beings indicate that similarly to their ancestors. This is known as the heredity. Genetics is a science that studied heredity. Genetic research has shows that the Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens are both ancestors of modern humans. Around 11,000 up to 10,000 BC, Homo sapiens sapiens developed the technique of cultivating land and keeping animals. Because of their well-developed capacity to think, the speed of which they improved their technology increased with time. They began to live more settled life. They began to grow food grains in a field. As a result, the amount of carbohydrates in their food increased. The changed lifestyle and diet affected the appearance of humans. Their body and the face grew smaller than they had been in earlier generations. The name Homo sapiens sapiens reflected their intellectual and cultural rather than their physical powers. All animals must necessarily meet their basic need for food. However, modern humans are not satisfied with the only doing that much. Through their efforts to enrich their lives using their creativity, intelligence, and skills, human beings acquired a culture and continue to develop it. The technological and cultural progress achieved by the modern humans after the beginning of agriculture and domestication of animals has been extremely rapid. The history of the evolution of human that began from apes can be divided into various stages. In the following lesson, we shall learn about the various facts of human culture at these different stages.